How is power measured? Have you ever wondered how power is quantified in the world of capitalism? It's a fascinating topic that connects economics and social dynamics. Power in capitalism is primarily measured through capitalization and control over economic resources. This means looking at how much capital someone has and how that translates into influence over production and labor. At its core, power in capitalism is about the amount of capital one controls. This control allows individuals or groups to influence how goods are produced and how labor is organized. It is often expressed as relative capitalization, which compares the net assets or wealth of one entity against another. For instance, if one company has significantly more assets than another, it wields greater power in the economy. Another important measurement of power is the rate of exploitation. This concept examines how much labor capitalists can command beyond what they pay in wages. By comparing the total labor involved in producing goods to the actual wages paid, we can see how much surplus labor is extracted. The higher the surplus, the greater the capitalist's power over the labor process. Power also shows itself in the ability to shape industrial activity. Capitalists may choose to limit production to maximize profits. This is often seen in how they manage industrial capacity. When production is increased, capitalist earnings may rise, but sometimes they may restrict output to maintain or boost profits. This illustrates their control over economic dynamics. Furthermore, capitalism operates through a price system that translates various forms of social power into monetary terms. This means that power can be measured and traded as capital. When power is priced, it becomes part of the accumulation process, reinforcing the dominance of capitalists over other social actors, including government institutions. In practical terms, measuring power in capitalism involves several key factors. First, capitalization values reflected the market valuation of assets, stocks, and net worth. Second, surplus value and exploitation rates quantify the unpaid labor extracted from workers. Third, control over labor markets indicates the ability to set wages and working conditions. Fourth, influence on production shows the capacity to regulate or limit output for profit. Lastly, monetization of social relations converts social power into capital through prices. In summary, power in capitalism is quantifiable through various economic indicators that reflected control over resources, labor, and markets. This measurement aligns with capitalism's focus on profit maximization, where power is both a cause and effect of capital concentration. Understanding how power is measured helps us grasp the dynamics of capitalism and its impact on society.